Plumbing and Electrical. How can I help you?
Yeah, hey, how you going?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, mate, I'd like a plumber, maybe electrical as well.
Yep, sorry, what did you need them for?
Yeah, mate, drains, the sink's blocked, mate. It's leaking, all right.
Yep. Bear with me one moment. So can I just confirm your postcode?
Yeah, it's 3805.
Yep, I can get someone out there within the next hour or two. As it is emergency hours today, the call-out fee will be $250. Once he's out there, he will assess the work, then provide you with a quote.
Yeah, no dramas. Hey, mate, let me just ask you, right, love? Did
Yep.
you guys get in a circle and have a few beers to come up with that figure? Mate, let me tell you, this drain's really blocked. Shit, this is a big job, man. But yeah, look, let me give you my card details so you can grab a deposit off me, yeah?
Yep, sorry, can I just grab your full address first?
Yeah, no dramas. I live at number 1 Dickhead Avenue in Narre Warren.
Yep, and how do you spell that, sorry?
Yeah, it's spelled Dickhead.
Yep.
Yeah, Avenue, Narre Warren.
Yep, and what was your first name?
Yeah, my name is Jacko.
Yep. And your last name?
Traco.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Traco.
Yep, and just confirming you were the owner of the property, is that correct?
Yeah, that's right. I've got a couple properties.
Yep, and your best contact number, is that the one ending in 779?
Yeah, that's right.
Yep, and can I just grab your credit card details for payment security?
Yeah,
and
no
large-
dramas, yep. Yeah, credit card number is 5217 2953 8492. Yeah, that's right. Also, while I've got you, can I have a job? Mate, I'm a qualified plumber as well, yeah?
Yep.
And mate, let me tell you, I know how to make money.
Yep, so if you just email us with your details, we'll get back to you.
Yeah, no dramas.
Yep, so the email is office@service247plumbing.com.au.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yep, sorry, the address, can you just repeat that once again?
Yeah, no dramas. But hey, while I've got you as well, let's talk more about the plumbing issue, yeah?
Yep.
Now, let's talk about the money, alright? How much are you prepared to pay me?
Unfortunately, I can't discuss that with you. That is discussed with management once you send over your details.
Yeah, no dramas. We'll work it out.
Yep. Sorry, can I just grab your full address once again?
Yeah, no problem. Now let me tell you, mate, when I start working, I love waterfront properties. We go to a waterfront property, he's got money. We suss out the outside for valuables.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep, sorry, can I just grab your address to make the booking?
I'd really love to give you the address, but you know, I'm scared you're going to give it to the women that you know, and the phone won't stop ringing, mate. They'll keep coming to my house, you know.
Sorry, sir, I'll need to terminate this call. Thank you.